Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Discord. Here we go to settings. Here in this page, like this. Then we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Discord and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.